Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to walk on ring of Saturn using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up the Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then you're going to go to the home and add your prompt right here. This is the prompt that I'm going to use, and we're going to upload our photo guys. Hold on, I'm going to use this photo. Okay, and then I'm going to I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt to the AI, and the AI will generate some photos according to our prompt. Okay, done, and these are the results. It's so cool. And then I'm going to select one of them guys. I think I will go with this one. We can tap on the photo that we want to download, and then we can click on download menu, and the photo will be saved to our device. Okay guys, and that's how you can create walk on ring of Saturn photo using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or any video according to your needs and as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching.